Hello, everyone. Welcome back with the second Sudoku in this edition of today's newspaper on Wednesday. Yes, it's Wednesday, August the 25th, 2021. Yes, still the 20th, still Wednesday. Yes, and the second Sudoku, regular Sudoku, I will do. I have solved earlier the binary. So now it's the time to eat the medium Sudoku number 3293. Alright. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 26 printed digits. And for a 26 printed digits, if you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars in the additional, this will be a 2 stars. And for a 2 stars Sudoku, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. For 1 star, faster than 50 minutes. For the 3 stars, 20 to 30 minutes. And for a 4 stars, if it's really a 4 stars, 30 minutes or more. Alright, so let's get started. Let me check. Yeah. So let's get started. Alright, so now we have 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 1 and the 9. We have a 1 and a 9 in this second column, so no 1 and a 9 in these 2 boxes. The 1 and the 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair, 1 and a 9. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4. The 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 6 goes there. So we have a 5 in this last row, 5 in that row. So in the row between, the only place for the 5 should be there. 6 in this row, 6 in the row below. So in the last row, the only place for the 6 should be there. Alright. 6 in the last column, 6 in the column next. So in that column, the only place for the 6 should be there. Alright. I cannot continue with the 6. Okay, what are these numbers? 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. Well, we see here 3, no 3 there. Here 3, no 3 there. The only place for the 3 in this row should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 are missing. 8 and 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. So what are the other 2 numbers in this big square here? We have 8 and 9. The other 2 numbers should be the 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. 1 and a 7. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Alright. So we have a 1 in this column, 1 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. And we cannot continue with the 1. Well, not correct, because we have a 1 in this column, 1 in the last column. So the column between, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 2 numbers left in the last row, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The 8 and the 9 are missing in the last row. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and then 9 goes there. Alright. Alright. Okay, so we have a 5 in this column, 5 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in that row. So in the row between the middle row, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5, it should be there. And now I cannot continue with the 5. How about, yeah, these 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7, no 7 in these 2 boxes. There's 7, no 7 in that box. So 1 box left for the 7 should be there. Alright. Alright. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. Those missing numbers in this big square are the numbers 1, 2. The 3 is missing. The 4 is missing, 5, 6, 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 3, 4, 9, 3, 4, 9, and look, we have a 3 and a 9 there, so no 3 and a 9 in this box. The 3 and a 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and a 9, 3 and a 9, so 1 digit left in this big square for the number 4. Alright. Alright. 4, 4, 4, 4. 4, 4, 4, 4. Okay. 4 missing numbers. No. 3 missing numbers in the third column. Those missing numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 6 is missing. The 7 is missing. And the 8 is missing. We see here 7, no 7 there. Here 7, no 7 there. The only place for the 7 should be there. 2 numbers left. In this third column for the number 6 and 8. 6 and 8. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here. And 8 goes there. Alright. Alright. I'm thinking. Yeah. Interesting. Yeah. Yeah. Thinking. Let me put some numbers. It's taking too long. 3 missing numbers in the third row. Those missing numbers are the 2 is missing. 1, 2, yeah. 3, 4. The 5 is missing. And the 8 is missing. 2, 5, 8. 2, 5, 8. Well, I see here an 8, so no 8 there. So the 8 could be here, could be there, okay. 2 could be everywhere, and 5 could be everywhere. 3, 8. 8 in this column, 8 in the first column. So the column between the second column. The only 2 places for the 8 could be here, could be there. Same like in this big square, 8 in this column, 8 in the last column. So the column between, only 2 places for the 8 could be here, could be there. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers. In the middle row, one of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6 in this big square. So no 6 in these 2 boxes. So the 6 could be here, could be there. in the middle row. We see here another 6, so no 6 there, 6 should be there. Alright, so we have a 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row. So the row below, the only two places for the 6 should be here or there. We see here 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column, so the column next, the only two places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. And all the 6s are used. I can see. This is number 1, number 6. Okay. 3, 8, 7. Yeah, 7 in this column, 7 in that column. So in the column between the second column, the only two places for the 7 should be here or should be there. Together with the 8, we have a pair, 7 and the 8. 1 box left in this big square for the number. 1, 2, 3 is missing. So we have a 3 in this column, 3 in the first column. So the column between the second column, the only place for the 3 should be there. Now we have a 3 there. So this box is going to be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. And this box should be a 9. Alright. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are 1, the 2 is missing, the 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, and look, we have a 2 and a 3 in the last column. So no 2 and a 3 in this box. The 2 and 3 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 2 and 3, so 1 digit left in this big square for the number 4. Alright. So we have a 4 in the last column, 4 in the column next. So in that column, the only 3 places for the 4 should be here, here, or there. We see there 4, no 4 there. Here 4, no 4 there. The only place for the 4 should be there. Alright. 1 digit left in the last column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The 9 is missing. Alright. The 9. Okay. Think. How about this? 7, yeah. 7, 7. 7, 7. 5, 5. 5. Do we have all the 3s? No. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row. So the row below, the only place for the 3 should be there. And I've eliminated the 8, so the 8 goes there. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. And this box should be a 2. And all the 3s are used. I can see. This is number 2, number 3. Alright. Now we have 8 there. So this box can be 8 anymore. That box should be an 8. And this box should be a 7. 1 box left in the middle row. 1. The 2 is missing. Okay. 1 box left in this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The 7 is missing. Okay, so we have a 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 7. 1 box left in this row. 1, the 2 is missing. Okay. Then 2, 4, 5, 2, 4, 5, 2, 4, 5. Yeah. 3 missing numbers in this column. Those missing numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4. The 5 is missing. 6, 7, and the 8 is missing. And the 9 is missing. 5, 8, 9. 5, 8, 9. Look, we have an 8 and a 9 in this row. So no 8 and a 9 in this box. The 8 and a 9 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 8 and a 9. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 8 goes there. So 1 digit left in this column for the number 5. Alright. 5 in this row. 5 in the second row. So third row, the only place for the 5 should be there. One number left in this third row for the number 1. The 2 is missing. Alright. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1, 2. 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1 and 8. I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those. How about those two numbers in this big square? 1. The 2 is missing. 3 and a 4. 2 and a 4. We see here 2. No 2 there. 2 should be here. And a 4 goes there. 1 number left in the first row for the number 1. Now we have a 1 here. So this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. And this box should be an 8. Now we have an 8 here. So this box can be 8 anymore. That box should be an 8, and this box should be a 9. And the final two numbers of this big square, 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 9. 4 and the 9. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Finish in 16 minutes. Alright, correct. 15 to 20 minutes I need to solve a 2-star Sudoku. So I'm pleased with the time, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will continue in a few seconds with the last regular Sudoku for today. Yes, a killer Sudoku. See you then. Bye-bye for now.